Right now, let's Control V, and what we want actually is now we want to make this group by or groups of year, which we shall be call them set by year, and this actually the index. It will be as the index. So this set by here will be actually we make them index instead of the index 0, 1. We make the real year and the number of sets now as value. So that means it will be having two categories: the index and the set, the value. So that is actually what we need to do. So let me comment out this description. All right, now here we can say, let's first of all, let me not use this. Now I can run kernel here, restart, and come here now. Now here, and I can also do something like, and I don't want to take all this. I wanted to import this at the top. I can also do away with that, and come here, and then I start doing the count here. Now here we can say, we say year by year, year underscore by year. You want to assign the set, so we want to go to sets, then that group by. These are methods. Group by, and we want to group by here. So here is a column, so we need to make it like this. Here, and then we say count. We want to check the count. So dot counts, and this is also another. So this is another count, and this is another method calling a function. So these are the one. So next, let's start from there.